Royal Bengal tiger is a ferocious animal. This animal lives in the forest. It is a carnivore. Deer 8 is a calm animal of the sister. Their main food is grass, leaves, and vines. They are mammals and eat mostly grass. Zebra is a peaceful animal. This animal only eats grass and leaves. It is a very beautiful animal. It is very beautiful. What is a baby monkey? It is a very cute animal. It grows on the branches of trees and survives by eating fruits and bananas. This is a puppy running to its mother and drinking milk. It is a very cute animal. They are carnivores and cute animals. This is a baby goat. It is a very cute baby drinking its mother's milk. Milk is the main food of this baby. This is an elephant. It is drinking water from a pond in the middle of the forest. After drinking water, it ran away. This is a forest buffalo. It is very rare. It also has a baby. The baby is very cute. This is the king of the jungle. This is a lion. This is the carnivorous animal. Lions hunt deer and eat them. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your one like and one comment encourage me to make the next video. Please subscribe. This video is made for educational purposes only, not for any kind of problem. Just a learning tool. Thank you.